everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. If you are searching for the breakfast nook ideas for your kitchen interior, then you are at the right place, cause here you are watching and we are showing you some of the best examples of breakfast nook ideas that will start your day off right. Please watch this video complete, and after watching, do not forget to provide your feedback in the comment box. Mornings are not everyone's cup of a tea or coffee, but if you had any of these charming breakfast nooks in your home, you would be out of bed every morning in a flash. These rooms use some of the best kitchen trends of 2021 and cover so many different design ideas that we are sure any style you have in mind is included. From bright, sunny rooms with colorful area rugs to cozy tucked away booths, there's no stone left unturned with these concepts. There are several farmhouse kitchen ideas in here that would complement any country kitchen, including dark woods and mixed patterns. Even if you do not have a designated breakfast nook at the moment, some of these designs might inspire you to carve out a little space for a bistro table. Some use muted paint tones to accentuate the room's space, while others advocate for wallpaper to infuse some texture. You can use removable wallpaper if you are feeling non-committal, and if you are just looking to browse through some beautiful rooms for inspiration, then by all means click away. You might just away a hankering for a fresh cup of joe after browsing through these best breakfast nook ideas. Here you are watching the beautiful and stylish breakfast nook ideas for cozier morning. A cozy breakfast nook can help even the most reluctant early riser ease into the day. Even if breakfast is not your meal of choice, this cozy area is great for enjoying a solo cup of coffee or casual dining with the whole family. To make the most of your kitchen nook, consider adding a banquet which is ideal for families and children. Then choose bright upholstery or dynamic art to help separate the space from the rest of the room, creating the illusion of a designated area for a dinner. If you do not have a built-in nook, you can still use a corner to create an intimate dining spot. Here we have gathered the breakfast nooks from the that we would happily head to any time of the day. So if you enjoy this video, then please do not forget to provide your feedback, and for more videos please subscribe our channel Home Interiors. Thank you so much.